Hi everyone. I wanted to make a quick video this morning to share with you all a Smartsheet product release that's been recently announced that I'm really excited about. And if you use Smartsheet too, you will also be excited about. So what you can see up here on the screen is I just found a solution set in the solution center over here to use as an example. So this is just a task list that I found. And the functionality that I'm going to be demoing today is the relationship between a sheet and a report. So previous to this release, obviously, if you've been using Smartsheet, you know that you connect reports to sheets and you select what columns you want to show on the report that come from that sheet. Now, previous to this release, if you changed the name of a column in the source sheet, so in this task list, in this example, it would break it from the report. So if you changed the name of this task status to just status on the report, it would still show task status and it would show blank all the way down in all the values because it essentially broke it. It would show in the report as this column no longer exists. And if you make that change, you then have to go into any report that has that column in it and swap it out for the new column name. So that's not the case anymore. And I'm really excited about it. And I hope you are too. So again, I'm going to just demo this functionality. So I'm going to use the example that I just mentioned, and I'm going to change the task status column name to just status. Oops. And save. And then I'm going to go over to this report. So you can see it says task status. And previous, if I refresh this, all of these values would go blank. So let's see what happens. Awesome. So it didn't go blank. And now there's this new little icon here. So it doesn't actually show the new name of the column, but what it does is it does just indicate, okay, this includes one non-matching column name. And I think the reason for that is because in addition to being able to connect a single report to a single sheet, you can connect a single report to many sheets, as you know. So let's just say, you have a report that's looking at 20 different project plans and just one project manager changes the name of their column. This makes sure that, the task status column and then the one project plan that calls it status are all coming into the same place because initially that was the goal and for all that data to be in the same place. You can then click on these dots and you have two different options. You can decide to disconnect this column from the report column. So again, if someone makes a change and you don't actually want that to be coming in, you can disconnect it, or you can open the source sheet and potentially make the change to come back. But either way, again, really exciting. If you've been using Smartsheet for a while, you know how painful this can be, or this could have been in the past. So now if you make a change to your columns, you don't have to worry about updating your reports. So I hope you're as excited as we are. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips.